Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over the signature. So let's go to so in the last video, we turned on vacation settings. So let's go to the settings and settings. Let's go down and we're going to turn vacation mode off. Save changes. Then let's go back to settings. And right above that is the signature. So the signature is so that when you send out a message, you include a best regards or sincerely or thanks for writing me or something like that. I do best regards in all my emails, so I'll do best regards, Josh Warner, 4J Media. Something like that. You can insert the signature before quoted text and replies and remove the line that precedes it. Let's do that. And here's what I'm going to do too. I'm going to bold my name. And that's really it. I'm going to save this. I'm going to go to the inbox and we're going to compose here. We're going to, and there you go. So whatever message we write out here, let's say that we wanted to write our canned message. Oop, I clicked the wrong thing. Do these three dots right here, more options. Go to canned responses, and then do the 4J Media new course. And, whoops, I didn't place that correctly. Let's see how I do that. That should take care of it. Let me try this again. There you go. Hi, everyone. Now, in my canned response, I already had the signature in there, but we can edit the canned response, and then we can, in fact, we can update it right now. Let's do a new canned response. Now let's try it. Okay, let's see. Hi, I have a new course coming out soon. Check out my website, 4jmedia.com. Exclamation point. Okay, so I'm going to save that as a canned response. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to delete all my drafts here. Okay, I'm going to inbox and let's do this again. So we already have the signature there. So now I'm going to go to my canned response here. And no, I don't want to delete that. There you go. So now you see that I have new courses coming out soon. Check out my website, 4jmedia.com. Best regards, Josh Warner, 4J Media CEO, 4jmedia.com. So it's straightforward. You know, it makes it easier to set stuff up. You already have the signature. You already have the canned message. It really makes it easy to send out emails if you have all this set up. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.